Dear friends, I believe that you will be very much mesmerized to see this beautiful field. Here you can see the long stretch of green field. It is actually the field of potato plants. Here you can see the farmers have grown these potato plants. How they look, how they are appearing. Here you can see the so spontaneous, beautiful and mesmerizing. This is what the village or nature is. That's why we should go to village or nature now and then, because nature has great power to heal our wounds. This is what village is.
রুশো একটা কথা বলেছিল, নেচার আর গ্রাম হচ্ছে কিন্তু নেচারেরই একটা অংশ। জীবনে সুস্থ থাকতে গেলে প্রকৃতিতে যেতেই হবে।